My business is to spread the vegan message, which is that vegans do not eat or use any animal products. So we don't eat meat, we don't eat dairy, we don't use leather. And this is for a number of wonderful reasons: health benefits, for the planet, for respect for life. It is possible to be vegan on Aruba, and that's what my business is trying to create. Show awareness that you can be vegan if you want to, and that there can be amazing, delicious, beautiful options for you to eat at restaurants. So I work with restaurants, I consult and create vegan menus, and these restaurants are actually doing amazing with these vegan menus that more and more people are willing to try and step over into the healthy lifestyle. And I also create community awareness. A lot of the posting I do online is to spread awareness for the vegan message and also the vegan options on Aruba, and to bring in more vegan tourism, because of course that helps our island. I moved here 2 years ago from New York with my Aruban husband and our little daughter, and I did not come here to veganize Aruba. Actually, it wasn't even something I considered. I thought I was going to be hanging out on the beach and relaxing, and I ended up going out to eat a lot at restaurants and found that there weren't any vegan options for me to eat. So I just ended up developing relationships with the chefs and the managers of these restaurants, and accidentally fell into this career of supporting the restaurants in getting vegan options on their menus. And this was about a year ago, so about 1 year ago, and I started veganaruba.com in April, and now we have over 40 restaurants that are vegan friendly and about 10 other coffee shops that have plant-based milk options. And we host events, I host community meetups, we have a vegan yoga night coming up. I'm also doing a cooking class on January 12th for the public. It'll be my first public cooking class. It'll be at APE, so in this professional teaching kitchen, and you can come spend the day with me. It'll be a 4-hour class where we'll cook together. You have your own little station and learn how to cook flavorful vegetables, learn how to cook vegan proteins like tofu and tempeh and beans, and we'll all have a group meal together and talk about vegan nutrition, how to plan plant-based meals, where to go shopping.
Essa aqui tá é Arubiano, o website